Ani Shakira binti Ahmad Shukri. I am from class 2B5B. My metric number is 20209599673. Okay, for today, I want to explain on my practical video, which is explaining about 4 types of report. Topic 1, we cover about determination of angle, distance and bearing. For topic 2 is about traverse by total station. For topic 3, we cover about setting up building and its detailed survey. For last report, we cover about setting out of road curve. Okay. As we know, what is land surveying? Yes, land surveying is about science of determining the shape or dimensions of natural or man-made features, which is determining for its direction, angle and its elevations. What is survey? Okay, basically survey is to control for horizontal and vertical distance, angle and measurement. And then this survey for construction survey to establish a supplementary of control station or at each point. Okay, now I want to start about explanation on report 1, which is cover about first topic in engineering survey, which is about determination of angle, bearing and distance. Okay, what is linear distance measurement? Linear distance measurement is between two control points in on a surface. Okay, so basically this is divided by 2 types of measurement, which is for optical direct measurement and also for electronic distance measurement. Okay, for those measurement, we can know between this measured distance, this is from point and object, which is called a control line. What is bearing? Bearing is acute angle which is less than 90 degree. This is meridian, either east or west, and then this is required 2 letter with an acute angle, which we want to call it north south or east west. Okay, so this bearing can be measured either in clockwise or counterclockwise. There are various types of surveying in engineering survey. So the commonly is what we call plane surveying, geodetic surveying, and then for the traverse there are 2 types, which is about open traverse or closed traverse and others. The instrument that has been used in doing engineering survey of leveling, setting out and others, we can use maybe quite same for each lab report. So we use for the first main part is theodolite or total station, and then we use tripod stand, prism stand, and then measuring tape. For this is measurement I have been used in field. Okay. Okay, now we can look on how the apparatus will be set up on field. First, the tripod set up, and then mount the instrument tripod into the ground, and then for focus the point into the bubble, and then we are using the instrument is such as tripod stand, ringing pole, prism stand, and we get the vertical angle and also horizontal angle in using the theodolite or total station for leveling. Okay, now I want to explain about report 2, which is cover the topic on traverse by total station instrument. Okay, what is traverse? Traverse is basically a control survey that require series of station that link together by angle and distance. Okay, now I want to explain the difference between total station and theodolite. Okay, basically total station is more expensive than theodolite. Okay, so the height precisely measurement can be used for total station. So it means that to get the correct detail, we can use total station rather than we use theodolite. Okay, then photo daylight is only can be measured for angle and distance of degree only. What is purpose of traverse? Okay, purpose of traverse is to determine the existing boundary of work, and also we can establish the control point of setting out. Okay, now I want to explaining about report 3, which is cover the topic on setting out of building and its detail. Okay, for this topic is to establish the marks and lines to define position or level of elements, okay, of the building elements. Okay, and then for the next is we transfer the x, y, z points of the plan to the actual field, and then this is using triangulation method or cut off method. Okay, now we can look on how we use Google Map to transfer the points on plan, and we transfer it into the actual field. Okay, so we are using basically using either Google Map or this is the procedure of using Google Maps in Google application. So that is okay. Now I want to explain about last report, which is about setting out of road curve. Okay, what is road curve? Road curve is traffic volume that is low of existing tracks to improve the road curve. Okay, then this is can be determined by two types of what we call a method of distance measurement. We can use simple road curve, or we can use parabolic curve. Okay, and then this is we can conclude of types of road curve, which is horizontal curve and also vertical curve. So basically in horizontal curve, we can conclude about the type of the curve is simple curve, compound curve, transverse curve, and reverse curve. Okay, and also transition curve. Okay, for type in vertical curve, we can know the summit or seg vertical. Okay, and then the purpose of this root curve is basically for determine the deflection of the root angle between the tracks. Okay, the purpose of setting up of road curve is to avoid of overturning vehicle, or for safety of the passenger in the vehicle on the road curve. Okay. So then what is I can conclude for these 4 types of lab report, which is can give me a lot of things on engineering survey, and unfortunately I am very sad because this is surveying that cannot be done in the real field with lecturers. So lastly, I want to thank you a lot to Dr. Jezan and also Dr. Isma for give me opportunity to complete all my report lab, as well as get a good marks. Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very thank you. I am really hope that I can use all this information in these 4 types of report, which is cover about engineering survey, the basic knowledge in engineering survey, and I hope I can use it for my future.